link building with expert roundups. Hi everyone, my name is Itamar Blauer. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on future uploads. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get featured on expert roundups, as well as making sure that you find the ones that are right for you and your brand. Before we get started, leave a comment down below with a yes or a no if you've ever been featured in an expert roundup. I'll be interested to see what you have to say. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So for those of you who don't know what expert roundups are, it's a piece of content where the publisher of the roundup compiles a list of experts in the particular topic that the post is about. So in this example, this is about video marketing best practices, and this is a post by UpCity, and I was featured in this one, I think maybe a couple of weeks back. So let me just show you my submission over here. And that's basically what expert roundups are, like what they look like. But now let's get into how to find them and how to get featured in them. So let me show you for this example how you can use Twitter to find expert roundups. And it's really simple. You can do this pretty much for any niche, and you just type in on the search bar expert roundup and then your industry. So in this case, I put in SEO, and we can already see from the top results there are plenty and plenty of expert roundups that have been published recently, and we can then check through them if you want to kind of see what they look like, and then you can use this as a way to reach out to these blogs and ask them if they're accepting any new submissions, or to keep you updated when they next publish one or intend to publish one. The other way of finding expert roundups is from Google searching. So you can do the exact same thing. So I've put here SEO expert roundups. You click on tools and you select to find results in the past month, and then you can see really recent expert roundups that have been posted about your niche or about topics within your niche and your industry. And the same thing we can do here is we can just go onto them, have a look, see what they're about, see who the kind of people are that are included in these roundups. And obviously, like I said before, you can feel free to reach out to the webmasters, just letting them know who you are. So the first kind of thing you need to ask yourself is, what's the easiest way of me being able to get involved in these expert roundups? So what you can do actually is check through the responses of the roundups that you're looking at, see what people are saying, how they're worded, how much content really is being displayed per person, and then you can use that in order to either pitch to add to the expert roundup that's already posted, or just to let the webmaster know that you are an expert in X, Y, and Z, that they should notify you when they're next hosting one. And the reason for this is because some websites do host expert roundups quite frequently, and what it means is that when you know they're going to host one, you've already looked at the previous expert roundups that they've published and seen what kind of answers have been put up, and that kind of gives you an indication as to what this particular website wants when it comes to submissions for expert roundups. Another good way to kind of check if you do want to be involved is obviously make sure that the website is related to your niche, that the topic is something that you do have value to give to the audiences, and obviously look at previous ones from the website, see if they are linking back to the contributors, because there are some expert roundups that don't provide backlinks, so that's something you need to keep in mind. But you can also look on social media to see, are these posts getting shared? And you can kind of take a look, put the names in on Twitter, for instance, see how many times they've been retweeted and shared amongst social media platforms. So you can get an idea as to how popular that certain blog or website actually is. So that is how to get backlinks from expert roundups. I hope you enjoyed this video. And one final tip, there are some queries on Harrow that request for submissions for expert roundups, and I did a video on that beforehand, so you can find it up here in the corner of your screen to watch that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Itamar Blauer. If you have any comments, leave them below, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey, you've reached the end of this video, but don't worry, there's plenty more great content that you can watch right now. All you have to do is click one of the two video links on the left side of the screen. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss out on future uploads.